Good evening. It's another episode of our cocktail drinks. This is the first drinks of the year. It's an awesome year actually. It's like another year. It's like 2022 just passed by. The same again. There's a pandemic again, and it's sad, but we have to move on whatever it is. So the things is the drinks that I gonna make today is a DAIQUIRI. DAIQUIRI actually originated in Cuba a long time ago. It's like 1950 during the Cuban War and American War, 1950. It's invented the American. He is the American engineer actually that he was in Cuba during the time, and he made those cocktail, the DAIQUIRI. The same as the mojito. Mojito actually is like originally is from Cuba, invented long time ago. Also, it's not invented by the same engineer, but this DAIQUIRI is like invented. What's the name? It's like Jennings Cox, I think. Yeah, he's Jennings Cox. He's the engineer actually, and he is in Cuba during the time. There's a lot of Cuba is like one of the big producing rum country. Whoever produced actually is like sugar cane. The same as in the Philippines actually, we have a lots of good rum in the Philippines, because we are one of the biggest producer sugar cane in the entire world. The same as in Australia, they have a good rum also because they have a sugar cane. It's a big producing country also. The same as Brazil. Brazil actually they have the cachaça. That's the one that you can make the caipirinha. Caipirinha is really good. Just lime, just muddle it, sugar, and cachaça. That's really nice drinks. It's almost the same as mojito actually. Just muddle with the rum and then the sugar and then the lime and then the mint leaves. It's really good. The cachaça is different method of making as the rum actually, but I'm just telling you about because normally what we're using actually especially in Cuba, they use the Bacardi. People doesn't know that the Bacardi is like made in Cuba a long time ago, but they lost their business. I think that's why there's one big company in Puerto Rico to buy those company. The Bacardi. So that's like, you see the label is like made in Puerto Rico originally, but made in Cuba, a long time ago. So these ingredients today is gonna be a white rum. This is local rum. So I'm in the Philippines, so I use the local rum, Savannah. It's not a Habana. And then I have a lime mix, but this is like more on sugar syrup than the calamansi juice. And this is gonna be a banana grapes DAIQUIRI. So the banana actually, if you're not mixing a little bit of citrus, it's gonna be change the colors when you blender or you slice it. That's why lots of the tricky thing is of the banana actually, and the same as an apple. Once you slice it, you have to squeeze a citrus. If you have I'm here in the Philippines, so I have calamansi. We have lime also in the Philippines and lemon, but I prefer to use the calamansi. So once you squeeze it, it will never change the color. All right, so let's start our show. Now we're gonna use a single shot only because I have a small glass, and what we're gonna do actually is the frozen DAIQUIRI, the banana and the grapes DAIQUIRI. So I just use a single shot of this because I have a small glass. If you have the big glass, that's gonna be like 8-ounce glass. But I work in the bar that we have like 12-ounce, big, like copita glass, and that's what we use actually. It's really good. We have like DAIQUIRI glass also, but here this is what we're using. So whenever, and then a jigger of this also the sugar syrup, and then the calamansi juice. Like this more on sugar syrup, so a jigger of this, and then half of the banana, okay, so bigger banana. So we have lots of nice banana in the Philippines. You know what? People doesn't know the Philippines also is a big supplier of the banana in the world globally. So now grapes, and nice grapes. So there's like about 5 grapes. This seedless grapes. So there we go. It goes inside, and this is gonna be my garnish. And a little bit of this. So let me get the ice and the glass. So I have like nice frosty margarita. You can use this as a margarita also glass. So about again is a scoop of ice, like ice scoops. But what I mean ice scoops, we have different ice scoops. What you're using in the bar that you work. There's big ice scoops. Like somehow you have this like 12-ounce ice scoops. You have this 20-ounce ice scoop. There's like different ice scoops. There is a lot of places actually that like a lot of bars that they use the like ice crush ice machine, you know. So I don't have those machine yet, you know. So I have this privilege, so that's why I use just regular cube ice. All right, that's more than enough. Let me start blending it. Okay, ice still not, there's like a little bit more. My blender actually is not the best blender that I have. This is only what I have, so I have to use it. That's it. There's like a little bit more bigger ice inside, but I just like whatever. See, it's like nicely frozen, right? This is your grapes and banana daiquiri. Smells good also. If I never add the calamansi juice, I got the sugar syrup also, so that's what they add, like sweet. See, that's it. That's your daiquiri. Garnish. Squeeze a little bit of calamansi in the banana so that it will never change the color. Right? Cherry on top. Smells good. Make it straw. It's just a single straw, right? I'm not using double straw for this. All right. So this is your banana and the grapes daiquiri. Enjoy. And before we end up actually with this episode, please again don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, the Naked Mixology, and then my Instagram, and then my Facebook It's the Naked Mixology, and thank you so much, and Happy New Year for everybody. This is the first day of the year, and then I got this daiquiri also. Enjoy. Don't get drunk.